how to enable voice typing on Samsung keyboard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice typing or fix an issue where the microphone is missing from your Samsung keyboard and you want to fix that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is simply bring up the keyboard. So open up an app where you would type, and so that the keyboard comes up, and up here in the top, you should see a gear. If you don't see the gear, select the three dots, and then in the menu here, look for the gear, but open the gear, select it, and this will open up the settings for the Samsung keyboard on our Samsung phone. So once you see Samsung keyboard at the top, scroll down, and all we're looking for is voice input. Select that, and then select one of the two options for voice typing. So you can do Samsung voice input, but you can also use Google voice typing. This will send everything you say to Google, and then they will interpret that into text. So I'm just going to do Samsung voice input. And now when I go back and open up my keyboard, you'll see a little microphone down there. So now I can select that. And when it's blue, it's listening to me, and everything that I say will be typed. So as you can see right there. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.